Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Every now and then we get something traded in and we get so excited about it we can't hardly stand ourselves, so stick around and let me tell you about this thing. This is our 2006 Toyota Sienna. This thing was a local traded in by one of our very good customers. It was very well maintained, and the Sienna van is by far my favorite minivan available. They are extraordinarily durable, by far the most durable minivan you're going to find. It is so easy to see these vans running around out there with 300,000 miles on them. These things are awesome. Now the best part about this one, it is the XLE, which is the top of the line with brand new tires, and again locally traded and well maintained. Luggage rack, sunroof, tinted windows. In addition to the tinted windows, I'll show you when we get inside, you do have extra shading that will go up on those things. Of course, the rear windows will fold down, the back windows will kick out. They are vent windows. Very clean. Coming back to the back here, see that it is the power lift gate. Absolutely awesome. If you're approaching the vehicle, you don't have to worry about trying to lift that thing up when you got your hands full or anything. You can pop it right up. The seats do fold down, and it gives you they'll stow into the back of the thing, and it gives you just a ton of space there. I do have a full pictorial of the seat configuration at citymotors.net. Make sure you go there to check out that pictorial. You do have these little hooks there. What are they? Well, they're ingenious. They are grocery bag holders. How awesome is that? Get out of Walmart or the grocery store, hang your bags right there. Absolutely awesome. Premium JBL system there. You do have a 100-watt AC input right there. Again, just push the button again and that thing will just slow down. You can actually just tap that thing and it'll come down as well. This one does have your sliding doors, power sliding doors on both sides. Everything, all the doors on this thing work. Now coming back here, you can see you have plenty of room to comfortably fit your 2 passengers in your captain's chairs here, and in 3 passengers in the back. And again, go to citymotors.net to look at the full pictorial. Check it out. You do have your DVD player, and that does completely work. Everything is in working order there. Looking over here, you do have your pull down shade there to offer additional shading on top of the factory tint that you get. You do have your push button here, which will close your doors. Again, all the options with this one. You're going to get your power options here, power seats on both sides, side impact airbags on both sides, rear vent windows, just push those, it'll open and close, and of course you do have your full power windows for your back doors. Duplicate audio control, so you never have to take your eyes off the road to change your channel or do your volume. Always good to have. Cruise control, of course. Again, premium JBL audio there, and your DVD player does play through your system. Dual climate control here, automatic climate control, dual climate control. Heated seats, automatic transmission. You got plenty of power outlets here and additional storage there. You have an oversized center console. That thing, in addition to being extremely convenient right there, will actually pop up and relocate between your rear captain seats. Awesome feature. Again, you do have climate control for your rear passengers as well. Very solid, very clean, and folks, great miles on this thing, local trade, and again, under $9,000. That is under $9,000. And at City Motors, we have no processing fees. 0 processing fees here at City Motors. So when we say under $9,000, we mean under $9,000. We're not going to blindside you with all kinds of crazy dealer fees and reconditioning fees and so many other fees. Right now, dealers are feeing people like crazy because inventory can be difficult to find. Fees can easily exceed 10% of the value of this awesome minivan. Not going to happen here. No fees at City Motors. We're also going to give you a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance. What? Think about it. You're buying an awesome van, very affordable, local trade, and we're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty. That is coast to coast. So if you're out of the area, have no fear. You can purchase here. That warranty works where you are. Folks, do not miss this thing. You're looking at a Sienna for a reason. You know how durable they are. You know how hard it is to find a van under $10,000 that's an awesome van. This thing has all the options, ready to go, warranty, no fees, waiting for you. Get here quick. Don't miss it. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.